Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and we got another dyno video for you guys today. This is our 1990 Mustang GT. We call this one two-tone, as you can clearly see by the two-tone paint job. We've had this car for a few years now at the time of this video, and this is a shop car. It's a research and development car for us, so we put parts on and we take parts off. So with that being said, the car is relatively stock. As far as modifications are concerned, engine bay wise, it's completely stock. The only thing that's been done is we've moved the timing from 8 to 10 degrees from where Ford had set it at to 14 degrees. Factory manifolds, an off-road H-pipe, and it does have a turn-down catback exhaust. As far as the dyno technical data is concerned, this does have a T5 transmission, so our pull is going to be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. It does have a 373 rear gear, and it is rocking a 17-inch SVE 0304 Cobra style wheel in 4-lung. Other than that, we have the tank filled with 93 octane. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we got all our straps tight, we're all set up and ready to go, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right guys, one thing I did not mention before we made the run, the engine does have 180,000 miles on it for what it's worth. Now let's take a look at some results. This car here made 223 horsepower at 4,700 RPM and 295 pound-feet of torque at 3,300 RPM. So this is exactly what you can expect with these modifications. If you guys like these dyno videos, let us know down in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos, more Fox Body content, and make sure you turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, for all things 1979 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.